Everything scatter. Come and they suffer.
Sorry.
So, greatest Nigerian people. Greatest of the greatest Nigerian people. Please, we don't want anybody standing around. Come and join us. Come and if Nigeria is better, it will affect you too. And your children will benefit from it. Your wives will benefit from it. Your husbands will benefit from it. Greatest Nigerian people. Today is Democracy Day. The People's Democracy Day, June 12, 2026. And we went round Abuja today. Just like Nigerians are going round Lagos. Nigerians are going round Port Harcourt. They are going round Kano, Jigawa Duse, Enugu, Sapele, Efuru, Akure, Abeokuta, Aba, Makodi. And all of them are saying one thing and one thing only. Tinubu must. I can't hear you. Tinubu must. And the reason we want Tinubu to go is Tinubu is a failure. Tinubu is a bandit. Tinubu is a terrorist. And Tinubu is one of the most corrupt human beings in this country. Nigerians have no chance, no future, and no opportunity with Tinubu as the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are saying Tinubu must go. Because as the commander-in-chief of the armed forces, Tinubu cannot command anything anymore. Our children are in kidnappers then everywhere. Our teachers are kidnapped. Our mothers are kidnapped. From Zamfara, Katsina, Oyo, Ogun. You go to Sokoto, you go to Niger.
Every day killing.
Every day they are killing people. And the people they cannot kill, they will kidnap. Your businesses are dying. Because Tinubu, on his first day in office, decided to punish Nigeria by removing subsidy. The only person or the only family that is subsidized in Nigeria is the Tinubu family. Sheyi is enjoying subsidy. His wife Remi is enjoying subsidy. The daughter is enjoying subsidy. So what have Nigerians done wrong? What we are saying is that we don't deserve this kind of leadership anymore. We don't deserve rubbish leadership anymore. Greatest Nigerian people, do you want Tinubu to stay? No! Do you want Tinubu anymore? No! Tinubu must! No! Tinubu must! No! When he leaves, which we are going to ensure happens in our lifetime. We are just coming from Aso Rock, by the way, and they put policemen, soldiers, and DSS there. They shot at me. I almost died. But they cannot kill the revolution. They cannot kill a movement of the people until we win against them. We are not going back. Tinubu must. Tinubu must. And we want him to be hearing it inside Aso Rock. I want us to say 3 times. Tinubu must. Louder. Tinubu must. Loudest. Tinubu must. We want Nigerians to understand that without a revolution, there is no future. And this is the beginning of the revolution. This is the beginning of the people's movement that will liberate this country. I am just privileged to be part of it. Every one of you must be part of this movement. So that when we go to Aso Rock next time, we will have over 1 million people, or everybody in the country will move at once to save this country. Greatest Nigerian people. Revolution! Now! Revolution! Now! Revolution! Now! I'm not hearing on that side. Revolution! Now! Revolution! Now! Revolution! Now! They are already shaking in their boots. And their mind not go touch ground. Juju dey here. Juju dey work.
Juju dey.
Their mind no go touch ground. Their mind no go touch ground. Tinubu's mind no go touch ground. Shettiman mind no go. Akpabio mind no go. Wike mind no go. Until they all leave this country alone. Tinubu must go. Thank you very much. Today is Friday.
Let's go and pray.
We have to go and pray. For those who want to pray, our Muslim brothers, where you go and pray today, pray that Tinubu must go. On Sunday, we have been told that the Christian Association of Nigeria will be embarking on marches across Nigeria. Let them also pray that Tinubu must go. But there's no prayer that can work if you don't put in work. There's no prayer that can work if you don't put in work. Action is what will make our prayers be answered. So we need more action, and we thank you very much. DJ! No! Yes. Thank you very much. We are going to end it up with our national anthem. Nigeria, Jaga, Jaga, eh? Everything scatter, scatter. Sofa, Nigeria, Jaga, Jaga.
Capture me and my boss. Nigeria, Jaga, Jaga.